bite. He's the cockatiel. He hates me. Chonker, you're a very big chonk. Chonk boy. Why you hate me? You only let me touch your beak. Hey, no bite me. This is his sunflower thing, I think. I know. Hi. I must show the dog now. Are you chill? Hello, baby. Hello, Foxy. Hello. But she's outside right now, but who cares? Now I must show the bird again. Man, it's so laggy. Birdie. Bye bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.